Hi guys, it's Asan. Welcome back. This is lesson 18 of my Maths Help that's brought to you by me and Joyous Learning. And today we actually have a volume question. But before we go into the question, I would like to do a quick recap on volume. So, volume, I'll just scroll down. Volume is equal to length times breadth times height. And the unit of measurement for volume is cm cube. Sometimes I get confused cm cube with cm square, which is the area. An area equal to length times breadth without the height. So don't get confused because they may be quite similar, and I get confused me at step 1. So just be careful when you are encountering these types of questions. So now let's just go ahead and view the question. Just erasing. Okay, container A is filled with water to a height of 12 cm. Then, some water is poured from container A into empty container B such that the height of water in both containers are equal. So, first thing we need to do is find out how much water there is in total, which, like I said before, the volume is length times breadth times height. So in this case, it's 15 cm times 6 cm times 12 cm, which is equal to 1080 cm cube. That's the volume of water in total. So now, since they are of the same height, we can combine both their bases together to find out the height of the water level. So the base of container A, which is basically the area as I said before, is just the length times breadth, which is 15 cm times 6 cm, which is equal to 90 cm squared. Don't get confused, and if you write cm cube on accident instead of cm square, if I'm not wrong, you can get deducted half a mark, and that's actually quite a lot. So just don't waste it. And for the base of container B, 9 cm times 5 cm, which is equal to 45 cm squared. So now we just have to combine the two bases, 90 cm square plus 45 cm square, which is equal to 135 cm square. So that is their bases combined. So now just to find out the height of water level. So now we know how much the volume of water and the area of the base. So we can take the volume of water, which is 180 cm cube, divided by 135 cm square, which is the area, to get the height, which is 8 cm. So that is the height. But some people might get careless here. They might think that the question is asking for the height of water level, which most questions would ask. But this particular question asks for the volume of water poured out from container A. So the amount of water poured out from container A is basically the amount of water in container B. So you need to find the volume of water in container B. And as I said earlier, the volume of water is length times breadth times height. So length 9 cm. The length is 9 cm times the breadth, which is 5 cm, times the water level, which is 8 cm, which is equal to 9 times 5 times 8 is equal to 360 cm cubed. So that is the volume of water in container B. We have come to the end of today's video, and I hope you found this lesson interesting and helpful for you. And if you're interested, go to www.joyouslearning.com.sg/blog to find out more, and I really hope to see you next week. Bye bye.